Still on explaindio, we are going to do something a bit technical. Okay, this is like an intermediate tutorial on explaindio. Okay, so now on this particular tutorial, what we are going to achieve is to edit an animation slide, okay, and apply a voiceover sound to it and export it at the end of the day to get our overall project. Okay, so let's simply get started. So now take for example, here we want to add an animation slide. This is an animation slide. Okay, yeah, animation slide. We'll add expanded animation slide. So we're going to be adding a business concept animation slide. Okay, this is slide 1. You simply add, you add again. Yes, so you click on this plus sign again, create new scene, go back to animation slide explaindio, you import this slide also, you add, okay, you add slide 2, then you do the same by creating another new scene. Okay, coming to here, this particular portion, adding this, doing the same thing that you have done initially. Okay, it's still this replication of the same thing I'm doing, so till I succeeded in importing all the slides. Okay, so oh, I imported it twice. Sorry, let me delete this. Okay, let me create a new slide and import. Okay, so this, yeah. Create a new slide, a new scene. Sorry, add animation, explaindio slide, add the last one. Let me preview it for us to see. Is this not fantastic? Okay, you can see this one is a default animation that is already on the application. Okay, it's a default animation. Okay, so this particular software also has other animations that you can buy online to boost your project, to give it more, to make it look more juicy to your viewers. Okay, so this is it. This is what we have done. Now the second aspect I also want you to look at is the voiceover. Okay, how to add a voice to it. My particular system cannot record voice directly because the mic is not functioning well. So there are two ways to do it. Either you record your voice using your phone or your other gadget or whatever, or you record directly. That is if the mic on your system is very good. Let me just show you what I'm talking about. See audio. Okay, if you want to record directly, if your system mic is functioning well, you click on this and it will start recording. Now if you have a voice that you have already recorded separate and you want to add it to your project, you come here, you browse, you simply click on browse. Okay, and look for the location whereby you save that. I created a folder on my desktop with voice. Okay, this is it. Oh, okay. Let me just look for another audio background audio that I can just add. It's just to show us. Okay, let's just add a background. I think I have another. Oh, okay, it doesn't support it. So majorly what I just want us to get here is that you can record your voice directly and you can also upload it, but it must be on MP3 format. So the voice that I recorded is not on MP3 format. That is why it is not showing. Okay, so before you do this, make sure you have a mic. Okay, a mic that is functioning well. For example, if you have a mic that is functioning well, all you simply need to do is just to click on this, and then you click on this, it starts recording. Okay, it starts recording your voice. Okay, like as I'm talking now, it's already recording what I am saying. It's recording what I'm saying till the end of the the scenes, all the things that we have created so far. Okay, are you seeing it? It's still reading. It's reading. Okay, this is how it works. But I don't have a very good, mic on this system, so it is not going to give us a very good, result at the end of the day when it comes to the voice. Okay, so when you are done, you just simply stop it. Okay, and that's all. Then you close this. An explaindio slide. Let's say you downloaded or you bought an explaindio slide online that you want to edit to suit your particular project of yours. So there is a way to do it, but we are going to be using a default explaindio slide that is already on the app. Okay, just to convert it to something that will serve us. Okay, now let's take, for example, you want to edit an animated explaindio slide. Okay, a slide that has already been made already. Yours is just to edit the content. Okay, I'll just show you using a single slide so that you just get the idea. Okay, so take, for example, let's create our scene first by clicking on this plus sign, create a new scene. Then we'll come to what? Add animation slide. Okay, yeah, add explaindio slide, click on it. Now there are different slide packs here. It is these slide packs that you buy online and edit and use for a project. Okay, we have business concept, business shows, business show 1, character business woman, and so on. Okay, so it depends on the one that you want to use. Let's say the construction character. Okay, let's use this one for example. Let's use this slide one under this slide pack. Okay, all we need to do is just to add single. Okay, then we click on add. So now if you want to edit this slide, now you close the canvas. Okay, you come under slide and come under customize this animation. You click on it and then you see hi. You can see hi here, right? Hi, right? That's you are saying hi to your audience. Then here you can decide to change this hi to hello. You can change it to hello to no longer be hi if it is showing now. Now the second test, you can decide to say I am James by name. Okay. Okay. Now let's preview it. You just come here, scene preview, and let's see what it looks like. Okay. Hello. Okay. Then I am James by name. Can you see it? So you are already editing it to suit your own need. Let's say you are developing this for what's it called, a construction, someone that is from a construction firm, for example. So this slide now will be useful to you. Okay, you just edit it, and still under the explaindio slide, you can still come here. You understand? There are other slides here that are used for shows. You understand? Modern shows, they are here, like all these PowerPoint presentations. Okay, so it depends on the one that you want to use for your project. Okay, there are different, there are even some for photo shows. Like you want to create something like an animated photo album or something. Okay. This is it. So, and we have the kinetic typography. very fast typography slide packs. You can see whatever it is that you want to write that will suit your need. You just add any of the slide, any of the slides from the slide pack, and then you edit it. You change the wordings to suit your taste. Look at this one now. You can say you can just add this one now and edit it to our taste. Add, okay, as usual. But there is a mistake somewhere. Let me preview it and see something. Yeah, there's a mistake somewhere. So I'm supposed to create a scene before adding. I'm supposed to create a new scene before adding that. Slide. Sorry. So I'll create a new scene as usual. I'll still come to my my animation slide. Okay. I'll come to my animation slide down here. Add explaindio slide. Okay. And then come down to kinetic typography. Choose anyone and edit it. So many fast texts like that. This text will just be animated, it will just be popping up on it. Okay, you can decide to add this one and edit it to suit your needs. Okay, for example, so you just close your canvas, you come under customize, incredible services, and change the incredible services. Building and construction. Okay. Architectural design. Okay. And let's say landscaping. Already edited that slide now, so you open your canvas, you close it again, and then you preview what you have done to even see what it looks like. Okay, hello, I am James by name. Incredible services, building and construction, architectural design and landscaping. You can see there is a little correction that needs to be done here. So let's preview this slide. Just pause it and make the correction. Come back here again. Come back to outline. Try to figure out where each and every text falls. Okay, here, this particular text falls. You find a way to edit this box so that it will contain it. Sorry, I'm trying to figure out. Okay, so trying to figure out how to expand. Now I'm expanding. Okay, you can see it has been adjusted so that this text that I just typed can fit into the frame that I created for it. So now you can preview to see what it looks like. Hello, I am James by name. And what else? Incredible services, building and construction, architectural design, landscape. This is like the services that you render. This is just a dummy work. Okay, so you can do better. You can edit all those slides to suit your immediate need. If this tutorial was helpful, drop your comment and let me know the challenges that you are facing. Thank you for watching.